If you're wondering how to create recurring tasks in Process.st, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to streamline your workflows and automate your recurring tasks, saving you a ton of time and effort. Stick around because I'll also show you a simple trick at the end to maximize the value you get from the software. Process.st is a great tool for managing workflows and processes, and recurring tasks are one of its most powerful features. Whether you're tracking routine steps for a project or automating tasks that happen at regular intervals, learning how to set up recurring tasks will significantly boost your efficiency. To get started, first log into your Process.st account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, you can sign up for free using the link in the description below, and you'll get access to exclusive bonuses just for watching this video. Now, let's dive into the steps for creating recurring tasks. Start by opening the template or workflow you want to add the recurring task to. If you're starting from scratch, create a new template. Now, focus on the task where you want to add the recurring feature. In the task's details, look for the option to make it recurring. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll set the recurrence rules. You can choose how often the task will repeat: daily, weekly, monthly, or custom intervals, like every 7 days or the first Monday of every month. Select the option that best fits your needs. After that, you'll configure the start and end dates. For example, if you want the task to repeat indefinitely, leave the end date blank. But if you want the task to end after a certain number of occurrences, you can specify the exact date or number of repetitions. Now, here's where Process.st shines. It lets you not only repeat tasks, but you can also assign them to specific team members. Whether it's the same person each time or a rotating list of people, you have full control over task assignments. This is perfect for team collaboration, ensuring that the right person is always on the task at the right time. Once your task is set to recur, you'll be able to track its completion status, making it easy to see when the task is due or if it has been completed. The best part, you won't have to worry about manually adding this task again and again, saving you precious time. And if you're worried about flexibility, don't be. Process.st allows you to edit or delete recurring tasks anytime, so you can adjust them as needed based on your team's needs or any changes in the workflow. Before we wrap up, I want to mention a powerful feature that can work alongside recurring tasks. You can use conditional logic to make your recurring tasks even more dynamic. This means that depending on certain conditions, specific tasks can be triggered, ensuring your workflow adapts based on real-time needs. If you're new to Process.st, learning these tricks will transform how you handle daily, weekly, or monthly tasks. And remember, with the free version, you can start automating your recurring tasks right away. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get access to Process.st for free, along with exclusive bonuses. In summary, creating recurring tasks in Process.st is simple and powerful. It ensures that your workflows run smoothly, your team stays on top of their tasks, and you save time in the long run. Be sure to try out these features and start building a more efficient process today. Lastly, if you're ready to dive deeper into Process.st, check out the link below for an extended free trial. You'll get all the tools you need to automate and scale your workflows without the hassle. Thanks for watching.